Fontaine fifth wheel will be set at a 0 setting from the factory. With the kingpin installed, when you check your adjustment rod, you will not have the 1/4 inch free play in this rod. It is not necessary to change your setting until 90 days or 30,000 miles. However, it is important to reset your adjustment after your 90 days or 30,000 miles. To do this, you need to install a Fontaine Hit KPT kingpin tool. After your kingpin tool has been installed, you should set your adjustment with 1 1/16 wrench. To do this, go to the adjustment bolt opposite side from the pull handle. Turn your adjustment rod out until you get your 1/4 inch in and out movement on your adjustment rod. You want to then open the fifth wheel, reinstall your kingpin, and recheck your adjustment rod to make sure you have the 1/4 inch setting. First, trip the fifth wheel to the closed position without a kingpin. To do this, take a large pry bar, push the bumper off the bumper seat. Take a large screwdriver, pull on the handle a small amount, and shove that screwdriver between the 2 locks. Then take a small screwdriver and pull it along between the 2 locks to either hear or feel the serrated teeth. Now would be a good time to apply a light coating of grease to the locking components. You want to apply grease to the back, the top surface, in between the serrated teeth, and the stationary jaw. It is important to pull the screwdriver and pull in and out on the pull handle to distribute the grease.